Today we're going to learn how to play a 1-octave G major scale on the violin, and we actually have 2 different octaves of this that you can play in first position, so we'll go over both of them today. Let's go ahead and start on our open G. Now the lower octave starts on your lowest note, the open G string, and you're going to be using the finger pattern that looks like this. So you're going to have a half step between the second finger and the third finger for this one. We start on open, we play open G, first finger is A, second finger is B, and that is B natural. It's not a, the B natural is not a low second finger. The low second finger note is actually B flat. So just remember that, whereas you have F natural and C natural and G natural on the other strings for low second finger, B natural on the G string is high second finger. Okay, so that was second finger B. The third finger is C. We've got open D, E, F sharp, and then G. And then we repeat that note for going down. F sharp, E, and then over to the third finger. So there's your first octave of the G major scale. Listen to it all together. Now let's learn the higher octave. We're going to go ahead and start on the third finger on the D string, and for this octave we're going to have a different finger pattern. We're going to do this finger pattern. So you'll have a half step between first and second finger. You're going to play your low second finger on the A string and on the E string, and we're going to go ahead and use the fourth finger on the A string instead of playing open E. We are starting on the G on the D string. We play A, B, now half step, so low second finger, C natural, whole step to D, whole step to E, fourth finger, and then first finger F sharp, and then half step to G natural, going down, low second finger, good. Now let's play both of those with a beat. We're going to do 1 octave at a time, and we will do 2 beats per note. Starting with the lower octave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper octave.